Hello, welcome back. I hope you're well. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Abella. I am a tax and accounting professional here in the greater Seattle area. Today we are going to talk about keeping receipts. This is the business edition. There's a second video for the personal receipts coming soon. So today, let's just jump into it. Do I need to keep receipts? As a business owner, yes, you absolutely must keep receipts. If you are audited, the IRS will look for documentation to support any deductions that you have taken. So anything that relates to an expense that you deducted on a tax return, you need to have a receipt for it. The IRS can go back and audit 3 years. If they find something, they can extend the statute of limitations to 6. So we always say to keep things for 7 years. Washington State, if they audit you, they will look back 3 years plus the current year. So basically 4 years. It's a lot of receipts. Washington State is usually looking for if you didn't pay sales tax on a purchase that you should have. Do I have to keep paper copies? No. In fact, electronic is better because a lot of the thermal paper receipts do fade over time, and sometimes they'll be completely blank when you try to go get it later. But definitely make sure that they are backed up. So if you are scanning everything to your hard drive, be careful. Make sure that they're being backed up to perhaps a cloud service, save them in Dropbox or something like that. I don't have time to organize my receipts is certainly something we hear a lot from busy business owners. There are tools for this. There's a service called Dext that allows you to just run everything through a scanner in one lump PDF, drop it in, and it will parse them out into separate files. It will read the name of the vendor and the amount on the receipt and do some organization for you with just a few clicks. So it's fairly inexpensive, and it's a good way to organize those receipts. QuickBooks Online also allows you to save your receipts by taking a photo of them with the app. That's a great option. The only downside that I've seen to that option is that I haven't seen a good way to download them in bulk in the event of an audit, but at least they're there and accessible. Anything else you should know? Make sure that on your receipts, if you are taking someone out for a business meal or if you are grabbing a meal on business travel, note who you took out and why, or the business purpose of that meal. The IRS does look for that additional documentation on those. Make sure that all of your business expenses, as much as possible, are being paid for through your business accounts, whether that's a business credit card, a credit card you're using exclusively for business, or your business checking account, to keep everything streamlined in the event of an audit. And I think that's everything for now. Is there anything that I missed? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, whether they are about this topic or another topic that perhaps we should make an additional video about later. Definitely hit like if you found this helpful. Feel free to hit subscribe if you would like to be notified about next week's video, or feel free to go to abellatax.com and sign up for our weekly newsletter where we also post the weekly links. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you back here next week.